Okay, so we've been talking a lot about IPFS and we talked about Filecoin. And one thing that may be a little sketchy is how the two exactly relate. So this little article here at docs.filecoin.io talks about that. So basically, Filecoin is Filecoin knows an IPFS node that has been, I guess, enhanced. So what happened? Let's see what this. So they're complementary. Filecoin nodes are IPFS nodes under the hood, and they can connect via lib P2P. However, Filecoin nodes are not part of the public IPFS network. And so the difference is that IPFS, you have to pin the data. You can pin it on your own node, or you can use a pinning service. And that's something we didn't talk about the other night. Let's see. Yeah, centralized. So you can use your distributed web applications as we demonstrated. There's no, you do have pinning services. There's no verification. It's a bit easy. More easily accessible, and data can go on multiple nodes, and what it says here is strong social contacts can ensure that the content remains hosted and maintained. Now that may be fine for your web page, but what if you have data that you have to persist long term? That's the Filecoin different. Remember, we talked about mining deals, which basically the clients make storage deals with miners to store the data. There's verification, and so basically it's like, let's say you buy gold, and you don't want to hold that gold in your house. Maybe it's more than you feel comfortable holding in your house. So many of these companies where you can buy gold from have storage services. So you say, okay, I'm buying X amount of gold, put it in, I'd like it stored in your vault, and wherever that vault may be, or maybe they have multiple options. And in return, every couple of, quarterly or monthly, they send you a bill for storing the gold. This is kind of similar. Obviously, there are penalties if they don't maintain their deal. It could be directly or specialized retrieval miners. Again, you pay. So what it excels at is storing large amounts of data for a long period of time. Essentially, in the language of crypto, if you want to hodl a lot of data, Filecoin is a better option. Now you can do something like this. We looked at Powergate briefly, and that can kind of give you the best of both worlds. And IPLD is some of the technology, the IPLD. This is the networking, data security, data discovery, multi-form. This stuff we haven't gotten into too much, and that could be a future topic. So you can see that the Filecoin and IPFS are related and can work in a symbiotic fashion, but they also have advantages and disadvantages for various uses. So hopefully this is clarified a little bit about what the differences are, and you have to think about what is your application. Are you hosting a website? Are you have a valuable, let's say, research data that you want stored for some time? Those are two different situations, and in the first case, IPFS might work just great. On the other case, you probably, if you're going to store it in this fashion, you probably want to use Filecoin and know, that you can trust the miners. And again, we did discuss with these deals that they have to validate that it's stored, and they also have to validate it. There's some validation every so often. I'm trying to remember what that was. Let's see. See what they have. How mining. So the storage miners, they're on Filecoin and computing to verify storage across time. So that's what we're talking about here. Anyway, hopefully this has been helpful. If it has, please give a like. Please subscribe. Please ring the bell to get additional videos when they are produced. And please share it with your friends who may be interested. Thanks, and I will speak to you next time.